Error import error, no module named numpy on Windows. I have a very similar question to this question, but I am still one step behind. I have only one version of Python 3 installed on my Windows 7, 64-bit system. I installed numpy following this link, as suggested in the question. The installation went fine, but when I execute, I got the following error. Import error, no module named numpy.
Support for Python 3 was added in NumPy version 1.5.0, so to begin with, you must download/install a newer version of NumPy, or simply using pip.
You can simply use, or for Python 3, use.
Installing NumPy on Windows. Open Windows command prompt with administrator privileges, quick method, press the Windows key. Type cmd. Right-click on the suggested command prompt and select Run as administrator. Navigate to the Python installation directories scripts folder using the cd, change directory, command. For example cd:/program files, x86/pythons/scripts. This might be c:/users/local/programs/python/pythons/scripts or c:/program files, x86/pythons/scripts, where 20 represents the Python version number, depending on where it was installed. It may be easier to find the folder using Windows Explorer, and then paste or type the address from the Explorer address bar into the command prompt. Enter the following command, pip install numpy. You should see something similar to the following text appear as the package is downloaded and installed.
I also had this problem, import error, no module named numpy, but in my case it was a problem with my path variables in macOS X. I had made an earlier edit to my bash_profile file that caused the paths for my Anaconda installation, and others, to not be added properly. Just adding this comment to the list here in case other people like me come to this page with the same error message and have the same problem as I had.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.